Hello everyone. Again, this side Anjali Singh and welcome to SchoolQuizz. So actually, we completed up to question number 7th. So in today, sorry, uh, uh, today we are going to start with the number 8, number 9, and the last that is question number 10th. Okay, so starting with the sharing slide. Now, yeah, when you'll see the question number 8, the what question number 8 is saying, the speed time graph for a car is shown here. So let's see the graph. You can see this is a graph of speed time. So speed from 0 to 8 meter per second, time 0 to 10 seconds. So the first is find how far does the car travel in the first 4 seconds. Okay, so in the yeah, shade the area. Even the area also you have to shade. Represent the distance traveled by the car during this period. So the distance traveled, yeah, again, yeah, here the distance traveled by the car in the first 4 seconds. That is here the time is 4. Yeah, here the time is 4 seconds. Now how much the distance travel. So in the first 4 seconds, you can see, yeah, I think this is the 4th second. I think, yeah, the answer is, yeah, it, it has, yeah, you can see this is the 4. Okay. This is the 4 and this is the, how much speed is acquired, that is 6 meter per second. So here you can see in the 5 square boxes. Okay, here the time is, what? Time is what? First here it is taken 2 seconds for the 5 squares, which is in the x-axis here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, time is 2 seconds. It means for the one box, time is 2.5, 2 by 5 seconds. For the 3 squares, it is, yeah, for the 3 square in y-axis. Okay, 1, 2, 3. See, 1, 2, and 3. This is the 2 meter per seconds. Okay, it means 1 square on y-axis, that is 2 by 3 meter per second. Okay, yeah, are you getting it? In the x-axis, 1 square box value is 2 by 5 seconds, and in the y-axis, the value of one box is 2 by 3 meter per second. So now, yeah, we have to find the area. Area means length into breadth. So the length into breadth is multiplication. You'll get the answer in the form of 4 by 15, and that is here, yeah, 4 by 15, and it is multiplied by 63. Why here it is 63? Because the total number of box you can see here from the 0 to here, that is 63 boxes are there. So we will multiply it by 63 and you'll get the answer in the form of 16.8 meter. Clear everyone? That is 16.8. I think you got the answer. So now we'll see the second question. In this question, it is very easy. You'll get like the value of first square as well in the x-axis and in the y-axis, and multiply it by the whole square. How many squares are there? So the now what in the second part is asking, which part of the graph represent the uniform motion of the car? So which part of the graph? Yeah, you can see in the uniform motion means the speed of the car become constant, where you will see the speed of the car become constant. So here the graph is labeled as from here to here. Here you can see from A to B, the speed is constant. Here speed is not changing with respect to the time. Here you can see constantly it is changing. Okay. And here it is not changing. The speed is constant. Okay. I think this question is clear to you. Now the ninth question, it is very easy. State which of the following situation are possible and give an example for each of these. So an object with a constant acceleration but zero velocity. Okay, an object is moving with a constant acceleration and the velocity is zero. So how it is? Acceleration is there. You have to think. Answer is there, I know, but you have to think by yourself. Here the velocity is zero. Means velocity is zero. Means what? The constant acceleration. Constant. Where you will see the constant acceleration. Where the object is moving with 9.8 meter per second. Means acceleration due to gravity is working. Like when I'll throw this pen to the upside, where velocity is not zero, because velocity is constant, velocity is changing constantly. But when it comes to the ground, the velocity will be zero and it is moving with the acceleration of 9.8. Clear? Clear? Now the second is an object moving in a certain direction with an acceleration in the perpendicular direction. Okay, very good. Here the acceleration is in perpendicular direction. What does it mean? Perpendicular direction. Wherever you will see the perpendicular direction means here the centripetal acceleration is going. Like the in the atom, electron is moving. Electron is moving around the nucleus. Okay, so their centripetal acceleration is there. Okay, what the acceleration is required, that is the centripetal. Clear? Yeah, here I'm going to read the last point that is important, that at any instant of time is along the tangent to the circle at that instant, but the acceleration is along the radius of the circle. Okay, along the radius of the circle, which is perpendicular to the direction of motion, that is actually along the tangent. Clear? It is actually along the tangent. Now, the ninth question is also completed. Moving towards the next question, that is 10th. 10th is easy. That is why I didn't given you the answer. Only whatsoever value is given in the question, that only I'm going to introduce. You have to solve this question by yourself. Now, artificial satellite is moving in a circular orbit. Okay, you have to imagine that the satellite is moving in an orbit with the radius of 42250. Clear? It means 42,250 kilometers. Calculate the speed. Okay, speed where you have to keep in mind. Wherever an object is moving in a circular path, okay, the speed will be always 2 pi r by t. Clear? You have to find the speed. Now I had given you the formula, even the formula also. So 2, you know the value of pi, that is 22 by 7. Radius is 42,250 kilometers. It takes 24 hours. Yeah, very easy. The time is also given, that is 24 hours. So in place of t, you have to write 24. Okay, you have to be calculate. So please calculate and find in answer in the form of kilometer per hour as well as in the form of meter per second also. So by doing in the meter per second also, you actually practiced the calculation. Okay, so it is important to find the in the form of meter per seconds also. So first you'll find in the form of kilometer per, just you have to put the values and you'll get the value. You'll get the answer, and please convert it into the form of meter per second also. It is very easy. Multiplied it 5 by 18, so you'll get the value. Okay, so yeah, from my side it's enough. Okay, from my side it's enough. Means all the question of NCERT of this chapter, that is motion, is completed. Now we'll move towards the next chapter, but that I'll take in the next class. So please revise it and practice it. Okay, within the chapter also many numericals are there. So please do it. If you have any doubt, so please ask me. Okay, students, thank you. Stay healthy and again stay safe.